Good morning students. Beta, we have discussed about 9.5 and today I am continuing with this exercise. I want to revise one identity once more. That is what? It is x plus a into x plus b. This is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. That I want to tell you. If the product of two numbers like this, ki first number is same but last two numbers are different. So we can write the square of first number, then sum of the two different numbers multiply by x and then product of the two different numbers. For example, E part I want to discuss. That is what? 5a plus b into 5a minus c. So beta, what is it? In this, x is 5a, a is this and value of b is this one. First number is same, just like x is there, so 5a is there, and different numbers are b and minus c. So how should you write it? The square of first number 5a square plus sum of the two different numbers. What is the sum of b minus c? Like this, and then 5a multiply by x by 5a and then product of these two numbers. B into minus c is what? Minus bc. So in this way you can expand this identity. Take one more example. Let us discuss f part. What is it? 4a minus 7 into 4a plus 6. In this also first number is same, that is 4a. So what is the value of x? 4a. So x square 4a whole square. This number is same. Now two different numbers are minus 7 and plus 6. So sum of these number multiplied by the first number 4a and then product of these two numbers 6 7s are 42 minus 42 because 7 is negative sign. So this is the answer. 16a square minus 4a. 6 minus 7 is minus 1 into 4a and minus 42. Okay? In the same way you can expand this answer also. 25a square plus b minus c into 5a minus bc. Like this. If you want, you can open this bracket also, 5ab and. So in this way you can use this identity x plus a into x plus b. Similarly, we can solve the question number 6. Use of different identity. Question number 6, देखो बेटे, a part I want to tell you. There are square of 169a square minus 49b square multiplied by 169a square plus 49b square. तो use x minus a into x, ये हो जाएगा x minus y into x plus y because numbers are same. 169a square, 169a square, 49b square, 49b square. Only difference is of minus and plus. So it is of the form x minus y, x plus y. The identity is x square minus y square. So its answer should be 169a square whole square minus 49b square whole square. This is what? 169 into 169 a raised to the power 4 because 169 square and a square whole square is 4. This is 49 into 49 b raised to the 4. This write the answer multiplying this with this. I mean 169 का square you can write here and then a raised to the power 4. then 49 whole square into b raised to the power 4. So in this way you can expand it. In the same way, remaining questions are there. In b part, plus sign is there. In part B, question number 6, what is there? Plus sign. 6m plus 4n whole square plus 6m minus 4n whole square. So we can't use any identity because positive sign in between this. So what is it? Bete, open this whole square and open this whole square. This is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. And then plus this, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Like this. So this is what? 36m square plus 16n square plus 2 into 2 6 the 12, 12 4 the 48mn plus 36m square plus 16n square minus 48mn. ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. 36m square 36m square 72m square और 16 16 32 n square. This is the answer. So if any part is there like this, so you can open both and add the like terms. Suppose that there is any term, single term is there, so leave it as it is and in the last operate with the like terms. In this way, you can try all the parts. I want to write one more part. Let us discuss this also. Question number 6. So beta, in this question, this whole square is given and then one term is there. So I want to discuss this only for this reason. Ki open this whole square because this is not the whole square of any term. So this is what? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b और माइनस ये 54 w r स्क्वायर. ये आ जाएगा 81 w होल स्क्वायर प्लस 9 3 स्क्वायर 9 r स्क्वायर r रेज टू द पावर 4 प्लस 2 9 जा 18 18 3 जा 54 r स्क्वायर और ये है माइनस 54 w r स्क्वायर. w इज लेफ्ट है 54 w r स्क्वायर और ये दोनों तो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे बिकॉज दिस इज प्लस दिस इज माइनस. तो आंसर इज दिस. तो आई एम सेइंग इफ टू टर्म्स आर देयर, one is complete square and one is the monomial single term, so you can complete like this. Open the whole square of first term and then add this given term with the like terms. And if this is also whole square and minus sign is there, then use x plus y into x minus y. And if both the whole square, to open both the terms and solve them, simplify them. Now beta, some more questions based on the same identities, but level is of thought is very high. So what is given? This we have to prove in part B, first question. Prove that this part, this side is equal to this. So there are two sides. This one is right hand side and this one is left hand side. So simplify both the parts. You will get the same answer at the last. So look here. I am taking a left hand side, this 9 by 5x minus 6 by 9y whole square plus this. So open this part. Which identity you have to use in this part? A minus b whole square. What is a? 9 by 5x. So what is the square of 9? 81. Square of 5? 25. X square plus 6 square 36, 9 square 81, y square as it is, minus 2xy, minus 2 into 9 by 5x into 6 by 9 y, और ये एज इट इज प्लस 24 by 5 xy. तो व्हाट इज इट? ये है क्या बेटे? 9 by 5x square. चलो, either you can write in the whole terms or leave it as it is. 81 by 25 x square plus 36 by 81 whole square y square, sorry, minus ये 9 से 9 कैंसल, माइनस 2 6 12 by 5 xy, 12 by 5 xy और प्लस 24 by 5 xy. Now correct the like terms. What is it? ये as it is 81 by 25 x square plus 36 by 81 y square और ये 5 is LCM. Then 24 minus 12 plus 12 by 5 xy, because these are 24 xy by 5, these are minus 12 xy by 5. So if we add them to 12 xy by 5. Now open this. What is it? 9 by 5 x whole square plus 6 by 9 y whole square, y square, sorry, and plus 2ab, 2 into 9 by 5x into 6 by 9y. So what is it? What is it between 9 square 81, 5 square 25, x square plus 6 square 36, 9 square 81, y whole square, y square I mean, plus 2 9 to 9 cancel, 2 6 are 12 by 5 xy. So it means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this way, these are the applications of identity. The difficulty level is still higher because you have to solve left hand side and then right hand side, then answer should be same on both the sides. So this is the way to solve the first question of B part. Now I want to discuss the C part also. B में भी ऐसे ही करना बेटे. In B part solve both the sides. In C part also solve both the sides, but somehow different. देखो, what is C part? It is given that u minus v, u plus v. This is given into plus v minus x into v plus x. Identity is there, x minus u into x plus u is equal to u plus v, v plus w, w plus x, u plus v, v plus w, w plus x and multiply by 0. So this side is whatever be it is, don't open the brackets because into 0, so this side is 0. And what is it? This implies u minus v into u plus v, u square minus v square, plus v minus x into v plus x, v square minus x square, and plus x minus u into x plus u, x square minus u square. So this is what u square to u square cancel, plus x square minus x square plus v square minus v square. So this implies 0 is equal to 0. This is the way to solve this. Similarly, d part I want to discuss. डी पार्ट में भी यही है, सॉल्व बोथ द साइड्स है, तो एवरीथिंग इज लाइक दिस, बट नाउ वन मोर इज देयर, आई वांट टू डिस्कस दिस एफ पार्ट. व्हाट इज एफ पार्ट बेटे? देखो आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एफ पार्ट, इसमें है प्रूव दैट क्यू स्क्वेयर माइनस आर स्क्वेयर होल स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू q plus r into q minus r, q plus r, q minus r 2 times. Okay, again q plus r into q minus r. So you can open both the sides. What is the answer of this? Left hand side में q square whole square, q raised to the power 4 plus r square whole square, r raised to the power 4 minus 2 into a into b. This is the simplification of left hand side. Now come here. What is this? q plus r into q minus r. बेटे q square minus r square. Apply a plus b into a minus b. Again the same thing. q plus r into q minus r. This is also q square minus r square. A plus b into a minus b. Now what is it? This is 2 times q square minus r square. तो होल स्क्वायर इट इज. और अगर इसको ना भी सिंप्लीफाई करें, इफ़ आई डोंट वांट टू सोल्व दिस पार्ट, अगर मैं इसको नहीं सोल्व करता तो दीज आर सेम, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ठीक है, और यू कैन सोल्व दिस ऑल्सो, और नाउ यू कैन सोल्व दिस ऑल्सो. एट लास्ट बोथ आर सेम. तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एफ पार्ट. डोंट टू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. You can open this also or multiply, that is very long if you don't use the identity. ठीक है, q plus r, q minus r, this into this and both the square is this. Now both are same. Now beta question number 2. Try all the part of first question. Now question number 2. Use the identity and find the squares, just like 1 under 2 square. We already done it. Don't write it ki 1 under 2 into 1 under 2. It is not. Don't solve. Don't simplify like this. So use identity. How should you use the identity? Write it 100 plus 2 whole square. So what is it? 100 square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 100 into 2, like this. 100 square is what? 10,000. 2 square is 4, and what is it? 400. So the answer is 10,404 in this way. Beta in this, it is the first part, a part of question number 2. तो सेम वे 91 you can write 90 plus 1 or 100 minus 9. Change into nearest 10 or 100. We already discussed this part also. Now if any decimal is given, suppose that D part also, question number 2 D part, what is it? 404 into 396. तो इसको भी चेंज करो नियरेस्ट 100 में. 400 प्लस 4 और व्हाट इज 396? 400 माइनस 4. तो दिस इज व्हाट? a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. आंसर इज a स्क्वेयर माइनस बी स्क्वेयर. ये आ जाएगा 400 मीन्स 16, 4 zeros minus 16. ऑपरेट इट. दिस इज द आंसर. तो use identity in this way. But if in any question if decimal is there, then how can you solve that? Decimal में है बेटे, just like 10.2 into 9.8, solve this. ये है, this is the part of question number 2, E part. अब तो remove the decimal. First यही करो आप, 102 by 10 into 98 by 10. And now with what it is? This is 102 into 98 upon 100. Now solve this by using identity. 100 plus 2, write 100 to 100 plus 2, 98 is 100 minus 2 upon 100. And this is what? A plus b into a minus b, a square 10,000 minus b square minus 4 upon 100. Now 10,000 minus 4 is 919, this one 9,996, ठीक है, upon 100. So what is it? 99.96. Put the decimal again after 2, before 2 digit. So this is the way to solve the question based on having decimal. You remove the decimal. In next also, just like 5.6 whole square, you can write it 56 by 10 and then write 56 is what? 50 plus 6 and 103, 100 plus 3. Now beta question number 3, I want to discuss these types of sum. When square of one number minus square of second number. So use this identity, a plus b into a minus b. Only this thing, nothing else. 27, 7 or 3, 10, 50 it is into 4. What is the answer? 200. Or if anything is in decimal, just like in B part, 1.09 whole square minus 0.91 whole square. To apply the same identity, 1.09 plus 0.91 into 1.09 minus 0.91. To use this in the same way. Now you can calculate this, add the numbers, both the numbers, and then multiply it. So what is 1.09 plus 0.91? It is 2. And 1.09 minus 9.91, that is 0.18. So in the last write this, 2 into, this is 2, and what is it? 0.18. So this is what? 8 into the 36, so 0.36. So in this way you can try all these parts, either they are in multiplication or separate by square of two numbers separated by minus sign. So these types of identity you should use. Now now I want to explain the question number 4. This is part A, and all other parts you can solve, you can simplify in the same way. The question is this, 8.7 into 8.3. So you can write 8.7 as 10 minus 1.3 and 8.3 as 10 minus 1.7. Now use the identity x plus a into x plus b. X square, sum of the different terms and multiply by the same terms. Then product of the different terms. So in this way 10 square is 100 and minus 1.3 minus 1.7. This is what? Minus 3. 3 into 10 is 30 and product of these two is 2.21. Now if you simplify this, 100 plus 2.21 minus 30, you will get 72.1. Or if you want to solve this after removing the decimal, so write 8.7 as 87 by 10 and 8.3 as 83 by 10. and now 10 into 10 is 100. Write 87, 100 minus 13, and 83, 100 minus 17. Now apply this x minus a into x plus b. X square a plus b minus 13 minus 17, sum of both these, into the constant term 100, I mean same terms, and then product of the different term, product of a and b, this one, plus. तो 100 square is 10,000, 13 into 17, 13 और 17 का सम क्या आता है, -30 into 100 minus 300, और 13 into 17 is minus into minus is plus, and it is 221 upon 100. If we simplify this term, then we will get 7221 upon 100, and the answer is 72.21. So all the parts is you have to use in question number 4 this identity, x plus a into x plus b. If they are in decimal, it is your choice. You want to change into decimal, mean if you keep in the decimal, then you can write it, change into nearest 10, or if you want to remove the decimal, then also you can apply the same identity. So beta, in this way we can complete 9.5. You try all these parts, and if any problem, discuss me in the class. Till then, bye bye, thank you, have a nice day, take care beta.